How was this engineering marvel built? And how does it manage one of the world's great rivers?
The hydraulic model confirms the flow rate here. The survey results suggest higher silt deposition near the intake structure. We must adjust the barrage. The diversion here is critical. Yes, ensuring flow stability to the Hooghly is paramount once the gates close. GPS lock confirmed on the drone. Team B, are you ready to launch the inflatable?
Ready, Cap. Moving out now.
The topographical data stream is stable. Look at the definition on that river bend. Excellent. We should have full coverage by sunset.
Secure that tube, Steve. Got it. Looks like solid clay. I'm labeling this one now.
Look at the stress-strain curve here. The slope indicates high stiffness.
Yes, the density test confirms that result.
Ganges Survey 8K, initiating bathymetric scan sequence now. Systems look green, proceeding as planned.
Okay, release the winch slowly. Winch engaged, steadying the line, and splashdown. Monitoring data now.
It's rising faster than expected. Check the flow rate. It's already past the danger mark. I'm sending the updated data now. The turbulence downstream has increased significantly with this gate configuration. The sensors confirm a 20% increase in flow velocity at section 3. The survey results confirm the bearing capacity, and the simulation verifies the structural integrity here. The calculations align, we can finalize the plans. The equipment arrives, and engineers mark the foundations, signaling the official start of South Asia's largest river engineering project.
The velocity is higher than projected in this section. The tablet data confirms it. We should advise the excavator to adjust the embankment angle.
Water level is down enough. Let's get the survey team in there. We're on it. Watch your footing. Hold it right there. Watch that corner. Little bit to the left. Easy. All right, it's set.
All right, bring it up slow. Watch the left side. Holding steady, coming in now. Set it down, easy. Looks good.
Cleaning complete? Switching to the CP gauge now. Stand by for readings.
Watch the rigging on the left.
All right, guiding the load clear.
The completed foundation line reveals the enormous scale of the project as workers prepare for the construction of the concrete piers.
Lower the cage, easy. Watch your hands. Tighten that connection now. Flow rate stabilizing, copy that. Yeah.
Ensure vibrators are fully submerged in this section.
Move the hose right, keep it moving right.
The compression test results look good.
They match the probes we just ran.
Yeah. All right, let's approve this stage. Bring that bucket down slowly. All right, hold it steady right there.
Check alignment on the next section. Alignment confirmed, we are within tolerance. Elevation looks good too. Logging the data.
This section is cleared for installation. Get the crane positioned now. Copy that. Workers, secure the rigging on my mark.
Okay, slowly lowering, watch the guides. Coming down steady, looks good from here, keep it slow.
Status check on monitoring systems. Systems nominal. Gate controls responding. Communication confirmed. Initiate sequence. Check the alignment sensors again. Movement is steady. Alignment is holding true. Readings are nominal.
All measurements confirmed. Lubrication complete and moving smoothly. System verified, safe for operation. Gates 1 through 5 showing full flow.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Shifting gates 6 and 7 open.
Easy now, easy. Guide it in. Almost there, watch your hands. Hold it right there.
All right, bring her down slowly now. Yeah. Steady as she goes, watch the alignment on the north side. Looks good from here, locked in.
All right, bring it left. Easy now. Hold the tension on the right crane.
Make sure that conduit is aligned before we tighten it. Copy that, look straight from here.
The flow rate matches the projected intake velocity. Levels at the weir are holding steady at 3 meters. The alignment on gate 3 is still off by 2 millimeters. It's structurally stable, but we need to recalibrate the hydraulics before approval. The inflow rate is exceeding projections. We must increase outflow immediately. Roger that. Adjusting gate schedules now. Inform the downstream teams to evacuate the area.
Monitor the water flow. It's increasing fast. Hydraulics are engaged, continuing the lift sequence. Watch the pressure on the cylinder while I lubricate the gear.
Pressure looks good. Keep going. This section of the walkway seems stable, but the rust on that girder is concerning. Agreed. Make a note to schedule a closer drone inspection this afternoon.
Everything looks good. The gears are meshing perfectly. Agreed. I'm finalizing the report now.
The telemetry shows an anomaly in the gate hydraulics. Look at the radar. We have localized heavy rain inbound. We have to initiate a controlled release.
Confirming angle set to 30. Flow rate stabilizing at 0.3 meters per second. Copy that, moving to the next waypoint.
Okay, lowering the core now. Watch the cable tension on your mark. Tension looks good, keep it steady. Make sure that coupling is seated right. Okay, applying torque now. All right, this side is done. Look at the point cloud density here. We're getting excellent coverage.
The meshing confirms the alignment deviation is minimal. The water flow is steady at 40,000 cubic feet per second. And the structural integrity seems sound, considering the volume.
Okay, bring it down slow. Hold it right there.
Look at the intake pressure variance here. Are the meteorological reports confirming the frontal system? Affirmative. We need to initiate the outflow sequence immediately to compensate. This thermal data indicates potential delamination near the support structure. We need to schedule preventive maintenance on this section immediately to ensure long-term reliability. The models confirm the necessity of a controlled release. Weather looks clear downstream. I'm opening the floodgates.
The analysis shows the microfractures have not expanded. That confirms the repairs are holding up. Let's run the final diagnostic.
As the sun rises over the Ganges, we are reminded that this ancient river remains the lifeblood of a billion.
Sector 3 gauges are rising too fast. We need to increase outflow immediately.
Acknowledged. Increasing discharge rate now, confirming gate adjustments.
The vibration analysis on the tablet indicates a potential issue here. Agreed. We should check the alignment on the hydraulic pump shaft. I'll get the diagnostic tool to confirm the tolerance.
Check the reading on screen 4. The gates are almost sealed.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is stabilizing at the target level.
Compared to last quarter, the turbidity has decreased significantly.
The sensor data confirms the trend. It looks like the mitigation efforts are working. Skirital.
Look at this section of the model. The current design won't sustain the required output.
We need to integrate the new specifications for the
Initiating sequence for gate closure on Barrage 2. Acknowledged. Confirming safety protocols are active.
All right, tighten that bolt. It's stuck. Pass me the lubricant.
Drone Alpha reports surface anomaly on Sector 3. Rerouting scanner for closer analysis. Data is updating now.
All right, tighten that bolt. It's stuck. Pass me the lubricant.
Drone Alpha reports surface anomaly on Sector 3. Rerouting scanner for closer analysis. Data is updating now.